Today on Cooking with Kymira, we're making Mississippi pot roast. We will need a piece of beef, a stick of butter, 1 packet of au jus, 1 packet of ranch dressing, some peppers and a little juice, however much you like. Wash the meat. Add the butter. Add the ranch and au jus. Add some peppers and a little juice, however much you like. Turn on medium and cook until tender. I added potatoes near the end. You can choose to serve it with whatever sides you choose. Thank you for watching Cooking with Kymira. Tune in next time to see what else I make.